Today we're looking at this 3-in-1 metal kitchen sink drain strainer, and this is from Hybent. And I bought the 2-pack one because our kitchen is using a dual sink. And now for a quick unboxing. This sink drain fits any standard US 3.5-inch drain openings, and the full measurement is in the product description, so make sure you check your measurements before getting this sink drain. And right here is a single-page manual that provides more information about this sink drain. And right here is your sink drain strainer. This is the basket, and the base is made of stainless steel. And I can see and feel the build quality and sleek design. It also has a rubber seal that blocks the smell from the drain. And you can find the same seal on the plastic basket strainer. And it blocks the drain in case you want to fill the sink with water. And like what I said, we are using a double sink in our kitchen, so I bought the 2-pack. So let me install this so I can show you more on how it actually works. Now let me get rid of this old strainer first. And the installation is very simple. All you need to do is just push it down. As long as your drain opening is supported by the sink drain strainer, it should fit well and it should be flush together with the sink floor. And let me quickly install the second one, and that's how easy it is. This sink drainer has 3 major functions. One is to block the odor from coming out from the drain. Another one is to block the drain from water in case you want to fill the sink with water. And all you need to do is just push the middle to block the drain and then push it again to reopen the drain. And I like this consistent process, unlike other strainer that you push it down to block, but you have to pull it up to reopen the drain. It's not a big deal, but for me, a consistent push process is more functional. So guys, this is the 3-in-1 metal kitchen sink drain strainer from Hybent. Get yours today, and thanks for watching.